We're talking about scientific concepts in philosophy. Bertrand Russell, beginning of the 20th century, said that to be a philosopher, you have to also be a scientist, which is, of course, bullshit. But it is interesting to take some of these scientific concepts. Today is non-locality in particle physics. And this is part of a larger series that I haven't done, that I probably won't do, about why physics is actually, especially particle physics, theoretical physics, quantum mechanics, I don't know why I can't talk, is really philosophy and not science. That's the crux of it. But today, non-locality is what we're talking about, and this is, again, this quantum entanglement thing that keeps coming up. This is the idea that two particles behave together at great distances. And part of non-locality and what makes it distinct from local realism is the fact that they can't, in any of our time space understanding, affect each other, which means in order to do the things they do, they must be outside of time and space as we know it. Again, why it's philosophy and not science. But non-locality just means that these particles, and there are various particles that people study, including electrons, photons, and even accumulated particles. When the scientists discuss these things, they're talking about how they have an inverse reaction at great distances, even light years. I don't know how they study light years. Again, so theoretical at this point, what's called theoretical physics, that I don't even know why they're pretending it's science. But the inverse just means spin up, spin down in a lot of cases, which means an electron will spin up and then its corresponding particle will spin down. I have no idea how they know which corresponding particle. But I do know that in non-locality experiments, they start with the particles close together and then they separate them. I hope that explains it a little bit so you can use this big term in your philosophy class, your science class, and make yourself look smart with all your friends. Thanks for coming and send me a check.